Hello guys, welcome to A-Level Physics and Mathematics. In this section, we will proceed with exercise 2.1. Last section and in last class we did describe about the exercise 2.1 question 3, but this is question 4, so we'll proceed with question 4. And then question 4 it says that a long jumper leave the ground at an angle of 20 degree above the ground in horizontal direction with a speed of 11 meter per second. And then we need to calculate the question is requesting you to calculate the horizontal displacement as well as and the maximum height of the jumper. Okay, to calculate this question, you need to understand the basic scenario of this jumper, right? So the jumper is basically a jump from the ground horizontally with an angle of 20 degree as well as with a speed of 11 meter per second, right? So let's say this is a projectile. This is basically an x and y XY graph or a Cartesian coordinate system. So let's say a jumper is jump from this origin or this point with a large angle, right? Let's say this guy is a jumper, right? This is, let's say, jumper with an angle. He jumped with an angle of 20 degree as well as with the initial velocity, which is the launch velocity, which is equal to 11 meter per second. Those are basically a given term, as well as we do have acceleration due to gravity of the acceleration due to gravity. So therefore this is a basic scenario as well as this is a given terms. So this is, like I said, this is a jumper, and then this is a launch angle. Okay, this is a launch angle. Launch was supposed to be angle, and then this is a launch velocity. Basically, it's the initial velocity. We call it a launch velocity. Launch velocity. Okay, so those are the basic terms that will help you to calculate this exercise. So since we have this given term, the required term is basically, like I said, required term. Well, let me write formally over here. So what we can do is, let me put a given term. So we have a given which is initial velocity v naught, right? V naught is equal to 20 degree as well as, it's supposed to be 11, right? 11 meter per second as well as an angle theta. An angle theta is equal to 20 degree as well as acceleration due to gravity is equal to 10 meter per second square, right? It's supposed to be lowercase. So these are a given term that will help you to calculate this exercise, right? Required term is what is a range or a horizontal displacement, and then a maximum height, which is h, right? So those are the required term. So to calculate the displacement or the horizontal displacement, we need to find out a couple of terms. Basically, we need to understand a couple of terms. So we do have this given term. So what you need to do is basically you need to understand the horizontal component as well as the vertical component, meaning that that is v sub o and sub x is equal to, as you know, we need to know this term, right, which is equal to, let me just confirm over here something. It's supposed to be, what you need to do is, yep, that's right. So Vx is equal, as you know from the projectile equation of projectile motion equation. So what you need to do is V sub O cosine of what? Cosine of theta, as well as V sub O and sub Y is equal to V sub O sine of theta. I believe you are familiar with this guy. So we need to find out the horizontal component, like I said, a vertical component as well. So first thing is first, what you need to do is you need to calculate this guy, and then cosine of, okay, cosine of theta is equal to cos of, we do have a 20 degree, which is a given term, so which is equal to cos of 20 is equal to 0. I think 9, you may check by yourself this guy, 9 3 and then 9 7, and then sine of, okay, sine of 20, which is equal to, or sine theta is equal to I'm sorry about that guys, so sine of 20 degree, which is equal to 0.3420. I guess you can check by yourself this guy. I mean, so those are important parameter that will help you to calculate this exercise, right? So next, what you need to do is you just need to replace here, right? So Vx, right? V sub x, I mean V sub O sub x is equal to V naught is over here, which is 11 meter per second, time with 0.9397, right? 97. Let me just confirm over here. Yep, that's right. So V sub x is equal to you will get which is equal to 10 points. Let me just confirm. Just 10.367 meter per second. That is a horizontal component of this jumper. Okay. Now we need to calculate as well the vertical component. Okay. A vertical component is equal to, which is V sub Y is equal to, as you can see, you just need to plug this term over here. So V naught is equal to 11, right? 11 meter per second time with 0.3342, right? So V sub x, I mean V sub O, so Y is equal to, I believe, which is equal to, which is equal to 3.7652 meter per second. This is a horizontal, I mean a vertical component of, that's supposed to be here 20, it's not a 52. So this is a vertical component of this jumper. Now we are almost there. So to calculate the range, right? But before that, we need to know the time, because as we know that range is equal to R is equal to V sub x, V sub O, V sub x, V sub O sub x times t, right? This is what you need to do. Basically, this is a basic equation that will help you to calculate the horizontal displacement or the range of the jumper, right? So we do have x over here, but still we need to calculate the time, right? So time is total time or total flight time. That is what you need to calculate. So the t, basically, you can represent with T or cap, or in the upper, you need to use uppercase. It doesn't matter basically, just you need to know the scenario, what you need to do. So the time or total flight time is equal to, you can calculate V sub 2 times V sub O sub Y upon G. This is a basic equation. You can derive this equation from the vertical projectile motion equation. Let me know if you are not familiar with that. I will help you to how to drive this equation. So from this we do have vertical component. So what you can do is, as you can see, a vertical component is over here. So just you need to plug over here, right? So 2 times 3, right? 2 times 3.7620 meter per second upon g is equal to isn't 10 meter per second, right? 10 meter per second square, which is equal to meter per second. So total time is equal to you will get you can get this guy, you can calculate by yourself, which is equal to 0.752 sec. Okay, you can use this 2 for you, maybe approximately you will get 0.724, I mean 725 0.7524, you will get total time or total flight time. So that's it. Now you just need to plug in this equation. So r is equal to or range is equal to v, like I said, v sub o sub x time total flight time, right? So which is equal to v sub o sub x is equal to 10, which is equal to 10.3367 time with total time or t is equal to 0.752 for second, right? Which is equal to you will calculate this by yourself, but I just wanted to put the answer over here. So what you will get 7.8 meter. Okay, this is a horizontal range of the jumper. Okay, this is a horizontal range of, meaning that the jumper jump horizontally 7.8 meter. Yep, that is it. Basically, this is a range. So yep, that is it. Let me know if you have any question. And then I just want to let you know, guys, I just want to remind you guys, could you please subscribe and then share this video with your friend, as well as with your friend. That will help me to make another video as well. Like I said, if you are in TikTok, you can like, follow, and share. And then if you are in YouTube, could you please just like, share, and then subscribe this video. So next is B, right? Next is B. So B says that what is the maximum height reached, right? There's a maximum height of this jumper, right? So to find out the maximum height, you need to understand a couple of conditions. Okay, to find out this maximum height, we need to understand a couple of conditions. Those are especially the maximum height, the maximum y component, or the maximum height. You need to know that. So meaning that I just want to let you know that, meaning what I was trying to say is maximum final, or maximum, or the final vertical component, or what we call it is maximum vertical velocity. That is, you need to understand a maximum vertical velocity. Okay, you need to apply that velocity at the maximum point. Okay, so meaning that the V max, right, or Vy, we do have a couple of conditions. So what you need to do is apply a condition. We need to apply a condition at a maximum height, maximum height. Okay, maximum height. So we have two conditions that you need to understand. So first condition is the final final vertical component or final vertical velocity, which is equal to y. Like I said, in the maximum point, v is equal to the velocity or the vertical velocity or final vertical velocity is equal to 0, as well as the acceleration due to gravity is equal to negative g, because acceleration due to gravity is act as a downward. Therefore, those are a condition you need to understand to calculate this question. Okay. So now what you need to do is from time independent kinematics equation, you can drive or you can calculate using the time independent kinematic equation. You can calculate the maximum height. So from time independent I just wanted to double confirm over here. I'm sorry about that, guys. Independence kinematics equation. Okay, kinematic equation. Okay, from time independent kinematic equation, which is basically Vy square is equal to V sub O sub y square plus 2a sub y time with maximum height, right? So this is basically, like I said, a time independent kinematic equation. Okay, this will help you. This will help you to calculate the maximum height of the jumper. So from this equation, we can get the height, or h is equal to v sub o sub y upon yep, it is 2g, right? We can get v sub o sub y square upon g. So we do have all parameters, just you need to plug all parameters. So as you know, Vy is somewhere around here, right? So which is equal to, yep, it is over here. So Vy is equal to 3.7620 meter per second, or meter per second, right? The whole square, as well as 2 time with acceleration due to gravity, which is 10 meter per second square. Okay, so you can calculate this by yourself. I just wanted to put the answer. So which is equal to I think you will basically you will get 0.708 meter. Okay, this is a maximum height. Okay, this is a maximum height of the jumper. So yeah, that is all for today. That's all for today. So if you have any question, please feel free to put in the comment section. I'm happy to reply for you guys. And then if you have any comment, just let me know. I'm happy to, like I said, I'm happy to reply for you guys. And then finally, could you please like, subscribe, and then share this video with your friend. Yeah, we will proceed next time. Maybe exercise. Question number 5, right? This is like I said, this is a question number 3. Question number 4. So we'll proceed with question number 5. And then, yeah, next, that's all for today. And then have a good day. Thank you.